Welcome to our video. Community language learning is a language teaching approach that centers on collaborative group learning and emphasizes emotional support among learners. The community language learning methodology encourages students to form a close-knit community where mutual respect and understanding build confidence in language acquisition. In community language learning, the teacher is known as the knower or counselor, whose role is to guide rather than dictate, fostering learner autonomy and safety. Community language learning lessons often involve students sitting in circles, allowing everyone to see each other and facilitating open communication. Students express what they wish to communicate in their native language, and the teacher provides translations and explanations in the target language. The method's activities commonly include group discussions, free conversation, translation exercises, recordings, and transcription for deeper understanding. Community language learning operates without a fixed syllabus. Instead, course content evolves according to the learner's needs and choices at each stage. The main aim is to minimize anxiety and psychological barriers, so students can engage confidently and risk making mistakes as part of learning. Community language learning started as an alternative pedagogical method that incorporated psychological counseling principles into language education. The approach was originally developed by Charles Arthur Curran, a Jesuit priest, professor of psychology, and counseling specialist. Community language learning was formally introduced in the early 1970s at Loyola University in Chicago, United States. Charles Curran remains the most central practitioner of community language learning, and Paul LaForge is also recognized for his contributions to this method. The community language learning approach is deeply rooted in the humanistic psychology and person-centered philosophy inspired by Carl Rogers. A typical community language learning session includes dialogue translation, group work, taping conversations, and analyzing transcriptions as learning progresses. The method places a strong emphasis on learners' feelings, focusing on building a secure classroom environment free of threat or judgment. To reference books on community language learning are Principles of Language Learning and Teaching by H. Douglas Brown, and Approaches and Methods in Language Teaching by Jack C. Richards and Theodore S. Rogers. Practitioners such as Paul LaForge and Earl Stevick have contributed to advancing and refining community language learning practices globally. A common criticism of community language learning is its lack of structured syllabus, which can leave students and teachers unsure of progression and outcomes. Despite criticisms, community language learning has influenced contemporary communicative and learner-centered language teaching, especially regarding student autonomy and emotional well-being. In the modern age, community language learning continues to contribute by promoting collaborative, empathic classrooms where language learning is both effective and personally meaningful. Thanks for watching the video.